Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna...
An entity is roaming around the real world. His name is Can't Escape. In this instructional video example, I will show you what to do when you see Can't Escape. Can't Escape spawns in privates and sometimes goes in publics. When you see Can't Escape, run immediately, hide into a safe spot. If he catches you, close your eyes and pretend like you're dead or something, then he will think you are already dead. I forgot to mention, their brains are very stupid. Anyways, if you feel him dropping you, you are safe to go. That is really all I have to say.